guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my vlog again. And for today's video, mangan tayo apo iti tarong nga tinunok tatay. Kain tayo. Let's eat some eggplant. Ilang language bang dapat? Let's eat some eggplant with a fish sauce and lemon, Philippine lemon. So, ayun, mangan tayo apo, titarong nga na idumag tibuggo nga da kalamansi na. Ito na dati. I have here tomato, dati tomato ditoy, and we have here onion. Oh, diba? Etong kinaganda kapag nasa Pilipinas ka, nagkamot tayo apo, nagbugunak ka tayo ti ima. We have, yung juice ng tomato juice. Ay! I'm gonna remove the tomato juice and put it in my bagoong with calamansi. Oh, yummy, yummy. This is my breakfast. And it's already past 11. Akilig. Check natin, Damdam ako, dumagnak nga dumagtibuggoong nagadugay miggasnan, nalpas. Lagay natin dito yung bagong. This is a real food. Naga. You know what? You should visit Philippines if you haven't tried coming here in the Philippines. Try this food. Chili, green spicy pepper. Let's check if there is a, this is what I'm talking about. It's a natural protein. Iggas gagay. There's a worm. Is it worm? Whatever. But it's a natural protein coming from a eggplant. Because this eggplant, they did not use some fertilizer here. That's why there is a worm. My sister gave me a chili pepper, and this is really spicy. This is called labuyo. But I don't know if she's aware that I'm good in eating spicy. She only gave me one. Oh, sorry. That's my golden retriever. Onion, dip it in a fish sauce, and then nako, sobrang nagugustuhan ko talagang parang Philippines is Philippines, you know. The food here, everything is organic and healthy. Wow, sarap. This is amazing. Eggplant. It's grilled eggplant. O, diba? May masamot inalam nga sili. Nagadula-garo doon. ako. This one is clean. There's no protein inside the eggplant. Oh, nagpudot ako. Pudot, ang init. Very hot. Here in the Philippines, like, ano degrees? Ka? It's like 40 degrees. It's steaming hot. Kung sa Canada, magre-reklamo kasi sobrang lamig kasi umabot ng negative 40. Dito naman, positive 40. Agad Bombay, tumiwat ko na po. Naging mas gamin. So yummy. And don't you know, onion is very healthy. Oh, grabe yung pawis ko. Onion can fight cancer cells in your body, that's why. Galing nyo to eat onion. Onion and garlic is really good for your health. So, I will just finish my food, guys, and I'll see you again next time, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo, natakam kayo sa tarong na idumog sa bugoong. So, yun. And election na po sa Monday. Vote wisely, ha? Dapat yung hindi lang yung nag-abot ng pera sa inyo, pero dapat alam niyo na merong nagawa para sa bayan at hindi kurakot. Number 1 yan, ha? In Santa Teresita, Cagayan, please vote my Uncle Ronel for Ronda for Vice Mayor! Ayan, napakabuting tao niyan at saka madaling lapitan talaga yan. And marami na rin syempre yung nagawa. Yun, marami nang napatunayan. Kaya doon tayo sa may napatunayan lang. So, ayan, in Santa Teresita, Cagayan, vote for my Uncle Ronel for Ronda for Vice Mayor. And here naman po sa Tugigaraw, my friend Kiko Canapi for Councilor. Ayan, please ilagay natin siya sa posisyon dahil marami po yung magagawa. Madaling malapitan and napakabuting tao niya. So, ang tagal-tagal ko nang kilala niyan. Alam ko napakabuting niya. So, yun. Kiko Canapi for Councilor here in Tugigaraw City. So, yun. And in Santa Teresita, Cagayan, sa aking mga kamag-anak diyan, ang ating mahal na Uncle Ronel Ferondang, i-look natin for Vice Mayor. God bless everyone!